Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how you can enable light mode and disable your dark mode on the Facebook application on your iPhone very easily. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started. So in today's video, we are going to learn how we can actually enable light mode and then turn off dark mode on our Facebook application if you are an iPhone user. So if you want to do it on Android, then we recommend you watch our other video where we show you how you can actually enable your light mode on your Android device. But this is for the iOS users, so you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, what you want to do is make sure you have actually downloaded Facebook to your device. If not, then head over to your App Store and then go ahead and download the application first. So after you have downloaded it, I'm going to simply open it. Now I assume that you're already logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see that this is how the home interface of this application looks like. Now, after you log into your account, at the bottom right hand side of the screen, you will be able to find a menu button or this menu option right over here. So what we want to do is we want to simply tap on this menu bar. As you go to menu bar, you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will find an option called settings and privacy. As you tap on settings and privacy, again you want to go ahead and tap on settings. Once we go to settings, here you will be able to customize many things such as your account preferences and your settings and so on. But what we want to do is under the preferences tab, at the last option at the bottom of the screen, you'll find an option that is called dark mode right under your time on Facebook. So make sure you see the dark mode properly over here. If you can't find this option, then on the top right hand side, you can simply tap on the search bar and then type in dark mode directly and then go ahead and tap on that setting. But if you have already found it, then simply go ahead and tap on dark mode. As you tap on dark mode, at the top of the screen, you can see that we have been given three options. The first one is to turn on, the second one is to turn off, and the third one is the system settings. So if you don't know what system settings means, it simply means that the Facebook application is simply going to follow the settings on your device. For example, if your iPhone is currently in the dark mode, Facebook will automatically switch to the dark mode, and if your iPhone is currently set to the light mode, then your Facebook will be automatically set to the light mode. So you can go ahead and tap on system if you want to. But in this video, we're going to learn how we can turn off dark mode. So we want to simply tap on the second button which says off right over here. And as you tap it off, you can see that instantly the changes have been taken place. Now if you go back, you can see we have been switched to the light version of Facebook really easily. So we hope you liked this video. If you did like, then make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section as well. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.